Welcome back, everyone. Today I am playing in my craft room, and I decided I was going to make a bookmark for my May setup. I'm using this Moterm insert. It's just blank white paper, and I was sitting here looking at that, and I thought I want to use some of these elements from the Tranquility kit to make a bookmark. So I will show you how I kind of plan to do that, and hopefully it turns out how I'm envisioning in my mind. And as we go through the process, if you have any questions along the way, go ahead and drop a comment below, and I will definitely respond to you, and I will try to tell you which kit all of the items come from as I'm using them. Okay, so first up is the actual big tag, and this came in the memory keeping classified kit. And then I decided I was going to put this bookmark on here. This is the smaller of the two. There's also a large one. This is the small one. Both sizes came in the planner add-on kit. And my first step is going to be to trim this down just a little bit so it fits better on this tag. So I think I want to have just a little bit of that blue showing, and then a little bit of the green stripe. So I'll put a mark where I'm going to cut that, and grab my paper cutter. I'll do that off screen so I don't have to move everything, but I'm just going to trim this bookmark down. Okay, so I have that trimmed down, and now I'm going to use some adhesive to glue that down. Actually, I'm going to wait because I think I'm going to layer these, and I don't want to glue it down because I want to put some of these circles behind it for a layered look. And all of these label functional die cuts that you see here came in the memory keeping classified kit as well. And I also have the stamp here from the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit, and I'm going to stamp some of these before I layer them. So let me do that real quick as well, and I'll do that on screen, but I won't be talking as I do it. But I'm just going to use some black ink and stamp some of my circle die cuts. Okay, now that I have those stamped, I can layer those behind my bookmark. And I'm just going to use this Elmer's tape runner for this part. I think I had this one behind here. And then these other two I want on top, so I'll go ahead and put my bookmark down. And for that, I'm going to use this score tape. I get this on Amazon, but I feel like when you have a large piece of paper or embellishment that you're trying to get down, that this sticks a little bit better than the tape runner. Just a personal preference. And they make different widths of this. This is like a really thin one, so I can get it really close to the edge. But you can get thicker pieces of score tape on Amazon, whatever preference you have. So it's basically just like a double-sided tape, because now I'm gonna peel that off and stick it down. Whoops. Okay, so I'm gonna line that up, kind of eyeball it. Put that down, and then use more of this adhesive to stick down these littler die cuts. And actually, you know what? I think now that I'm saying that, yep. Guys, Christine makes it even easier for us. These die cuts are already adhesive backed, so if you peel off the backing, they're sticky. Forgot about that. And layer that right there. And then I'll stick this bottom one. Take the adhesive backing off and stick it down here. And then I think I'm going to use these enamel glitter dots and kind of throw some of those everywhere. And these came this month in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. And I tend to go a little crazy with these, so I have to rein myself in. I want to put them everywhere. So there is that. And then I'm going to add this ribbon to the top. And this ribbon came in the Memory Keeping Classified Kit as well. So loop that through. And then you can cut or trim the ribbon for as long as you want that ribbon to be. I'm gonna leave mine sort of long. And let's see how that looks as a bookmark. I think it's gonna be really cute. So there is my page marker or bookmark, and I like that it has the calendar, so when I pull it out, I can kind of see my month at a glance. But that was a super easy process that I think turned out really well. Thanks for watching.